Here's another jointing video. Set the workstation up, the bin. Now let's get started. Mark off the bushing point. Then, as per manufacturer instructions, mark back to where you need to take the air-screen wires. Remove the outsheath with the US 15. Prise it open with a knife. Peel that back, and then remove the moisture barrier. Now you'll see, I'm going to pull the air-screen wires back, but not fully. You mark it against the bushing, and then cut the cable down. Then add the grey mastic, which acts as a moisture barrier. Bend the air-screen wires back on top of that mastic. Put a cable tie in place just to hold them down. Remove the black moisture barrier underneath, and now mark off where the cable's going to sit against the bushing. Put this with a reciprocating saw, just do the perfect square cut. Now remove the semicon layer with the USO2, tie it off and fire away. Remove them strippings, remove the tool. Now remove the primary insulation, and here I'm using the L-rock. Remove this down to the depth of the lug. Remove, and then chamfer the end of the insulation, and here I'm using the GBZ, and then with a knife remove the thin insulation around the core. Clean the cable down, add some silicone grease, and then slide down the stress control boot. Get a plastic bag in these Nexans kits, and that's just to prevent the stress control boot from touching the core. Push that stress control boot over the air-screen wires, and then take the measurement just to make sure. Now install the lugs, shear them off. Then some more silicone grease on the actual T-boot body, and then slide the boot down. I always find it funny how these boots always try and pop back off. Now bolt the T-bodies to the bushing, and talk to manufacturer's instructions. Then dress the earth in, and this is your finished product.